So Thursday night, it is Live Lounge special on a Thursday night, of course. So St. Luke's Sound here live in the Bradford studio. We don't do pre-records. It's always live. And once again, guys, good evening to our live singers. Mick, thank you very much for joining us again.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. And TJ, we've got TJ in as well.
So do I go Happy New Year?
Yeah. And TJ's dressed up as Mrs. Claus. I'm loving that. You could have done Santa, but you didn't. You did the joke, didn't you? And you haven't got that qualification.
Exactly.
But TJ, no, thanks very much for coming back in and welcome back.
Thank you for the invite.
When was you last in? Let's have a look.
Beginning of July.
Yeah, July the 17th you were last in.
Is that how long it was?
Yeah, that's incredible, isn't it?
Yes.
And how's things been going since?
Really well, yeah. We're me and the band were getting about Huddersfield a bit.
Yep.
I've done a couple more solo gigs.
Awesome.
So they're starting to take off. So
Good.
All's good. And
Yeah,
Amateur Dramatics is going well. So.
Awesome, yeah, because you done was it the pantomime?
We're doing it in Bingley in February.
Oh, is it right? Okay,
Yeah,
you'll have to give us a shout about that, and we'll promote it for you.
Three Little Bears. No, Goldilocks and the Three Little Bears.
Right. Okay.
So.
Oh yeah, let us know, and we'll promote it for you. But yeah, this is the first time, and we started back in February this year. Started Live Lounges, and this is the very first time we've had a duet. We've had bands singing, like two or three people singing together, but not two different artists singing together. So this is the first one. So thank you very much.
This is very impromptu as well, isn't it?
I know you've not even practiced. I know they do it on TV, don't they? We're not rehearsed or anything like that, and you think, yeah, whatever. But you physically haven't rehearsed.
No, we literally walked in.
Do you guys know each other through the scenes? No,
Nope.
never.
Nope, literally walked in this evening and said, "Do you fancy doing a duet?"
Yeah, that's incredible.
Here we
Well,
go.
thank you.
If I had seen her, I wouldn't have recognised her.
No. Well, no, thanks very much for teaming up and doing that. But yeah, what are you guys going to sing?
The song.
We're going to do Merry Christmas, everyone.
Yep.
Shakin' Stevens.
Thanks, TJ.
It's
I'll
all
leave
right.
it to you.
Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Time for parties and celebrations. People dancing all night long. Time for presents and exchanging kisses. Time for singing Christmas songs.
We're gonna have a party tonight. I'm gonna find that boy underneath the mistletoe and kiss by candlelight. Snow is falling and records playing. All the old songs we love to hear. How I wish that every day was Christmas. What a nice way to spend the year. We're gonna have a party tonight. I'm gonna find that girl underneath the mistletoe and kiss by candlelight. Snow is falling,
Snow is falling
all around me.
all around me.
Children playing, having fun.
Having fun.
It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. Oh, Merry Christmas, everyone. Ooh. Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Oh, snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Guys, that was absolutely incredible. Thank you.
Not bad for an impromptu.
Superb.